All right, hey guys, welcome back. We're going to start looking at variables in PHP. In our previous lesson, we learned about how to output to the screen and do very basic interaction with the user. If we want to do anything useful, we need to learn how to store data in a variable or process it or do whatever. Later on, we're going to learn how to read input from the user or from wherever. Much later on, we'll even learn how to read from a database. So don't worry about that right now. We're going to start with the very basics of a variable in PHP. A variable in PHP, variables can have a name format, letters, numbers, underscores, whatever. They always have to start, I believe, either with a letter or an underscore, not a number. And they're always preceded with a $sign. Anytime you see $sign something, that's a variable in PHP. Variables do not need to be declared before they are used, like in some languages. And they do not need to be declared as certain types. We can simply declare the variable the first time we use it and say, in this example here, a equals 10, right? These are very artificial examples that I'm giving just for the sake of giving them. A variable can be an integer, a float, which is a number with a decimal. It can be a string value, a Boolean, and I believe there's a few others, but just for now, this is what we're looking at. So in this, and again, in our artificial example, I'm creating variable a and assigning it the value 10. Creating another variable first name and giving it the string value Bob. And again, strings, I forgot to mention, I kind of mentioned it earlier, but I didn't really call it out in our previous lesson. A string value in PHP is either surrounded by double quotes or single quotes, just to mark the start and end of the string. And then here we're creating a variable b and assigning it the value a times 2. So in that case, it would be 20, since we assigned 10 to a. And then we're going to print out our variables that we created. This just happens to be the format that I'm using for printing. A colon whatever, b colon equals the value of b, and then first name colon first name. So we're going to run this script and it prints out our values. So fairly easy stuff. I would actually say pause here. Let's create a script with 3 variables. We're just going to use a, b, and c. Give a numeric value 5 to a, a numeric value 3 to b, and then make c a plus b, and then print out the value for c. So that's the homework. So very simple, very easy lesson. Just let's get that. We're going to do this piecemeal, and we're going to keep it simple, and each lesson is going to grow on the next one until we get to the end. So all right, I'll see you guys on the next one.